I'll come to you, Bucket.
Exit the car, hands up!
Gotcha.
Walk back towards me! Stop reaching around! Walk back towards me now! Stop reaching! Hands up, walk back towards me! Hands up!
I am at the car!
Walk towards me!
I got hands. You got it. Yep.
Come on, keep coming.
I'm at the car!
Walk to me. Turn around. Obviously. Come on now. Are you f***ing kidding me? You're tossing guns out of a car and running from
it. I didn't toss nothing at the car.
Sit down. Sit down.
Okay.
Sit down on the curb.
It was definitely a gun. I've got the gun. The first one they threw out over the fence.
45, I'm still in pursuit.
Where you at?
Now call Mouse Green for 12. Approaching 11.
Approaching 11.
Second item, the backseat passenger threw out might have been a rifle.
Right up the south side, jumped out of the window. Go running south, jump the fence, hey! Put your hands! Get down now! Get down! Right there, Brad. You're good, right there.
Got a gun?
Yep.
Go hands. Stand by, taking your gun.
Here. Weapons on you.
Yeah.
You good. Get up.
You got warrants, that's what's up.
What
Yeah, I do. What I got warrants for?
Which pocket?
Left pocket.
Front left.
Front left, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and do that.
What I got a warrant for? Why wouldn't you come out of the house?
Huh? Why wouldn't you come out of the house?
Wow.
Look what you're looking over there.
What the fuck happened?
It's all for you, man.
For what I do?
Let's go.
Hey, Mom! Buy me out!